HiBREW AC DC adapter / portable travel bag / holder for car coffee maker portable espresso machine. HiBREW AC DC adapter / portable travel bag / holder for car coffee maker portable espresso machine review. The HiBREW AC DC adapter, portable travel bag, and holder for car coffee maker are all great accessories for the HiBREW Portable Espresso Machine. The AC-DC adapter allows you to use the machine with any outlet, while the travel bag makes it easy to transport the machine when you're on the go. The holder for car coffee maker allows you to safely and securely mount the machine in your car. AC-DC adapter. The HiBREW AC-DC adapter is a must-have accessory for TH.